5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bingo, bango, we have a box. It's a big box. It's a great big box with a form. With packing peanuts. A box within a box. Alright, so this is a mystery box that you can get from Razor Emporium, and I don't know what's in it because it's a mystery. It's kind of peaked right here, right? So it's pretty packed full. I did reach out to Matt and ask him if there's a chance that a Rick's Supply Co. console would show up in this mystery box, and he laughed at me. So the first thing that shows up in this box is the Rockwell Swedish something or others. The second thing that shows up in this box is this little bowl. Second thing that shows up is a tobacco original scent. Third thing, some Proraso. We know how much Matt Pisarcik likes Proraso. I'm actually very excited about this. Some Cella aftershave balm in the aloe vera. Oh, this is cool. This is a brush holder that actually sticks up on the wall there. The next item is a razor bank. This box is chock full of goodies. I haven't tried these before. These blades, the Legion Extravaganza. This is exciting. This is a Omega brush. A nice little citrus shave soap sample from the Razor Emporium's house blend. Not sure. I'm feeling like this might be an alum block, but I don't speak Italian. This is the Gillette thin blades. That's exciting. Look at that. This box is bonkers. I'm excited about this. I haven't pulled the trigger on this yet. This is Arco shave stick. I have the shave puck, but not the stick. This is really manly soap. Mahogany. So it's going to be very woody. Woody, you know. Another Razor Emporium soap sample. Lavender. I love lavender. Okay, based off of everything that's in here, check that out. A safety razor. I'm just going to come out and say it. The mystery box is worth it. This mystery box is awesome. This mystery box is so cool. There's stuff in here that I would never try or haven't pulled the trigger on trying yet. So that's pretty cool. That's why I got this. This little bowl here is very cool. Look at that. This little shallow bowl, but it's cute. The really manly soap, the mahogany stuff, bonkers. Smells really nice. The Rockwell razor blades. I don't really use Rockwell blades. I'll try them again, but it's nice to have the option. The Tabac. I don't know how y'all pronounce it. Tabac. This is shaving soap, so I'm excited to try that. Arco shaving soap, shave stick. That's cool. I've always wanted to try that. Got a safety razor here. Could always use another one of those. It's got a good weight to it. It's a 3-piece. Got some Greek letters on it. The knurling looks positive. Yeah, that's cool. And then a couple of blades. The citrus shaving soap, the lavender shaving soap. I think this is an alum block. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, it's an alum block. So I was right, but also wrong because I thought that I couldn't translate Italian, and evidently I can. So I'm a linguist. This aloe vera shave balm I'm excited for. I almost pulled the trigger on this brush when I was shopping. It's an Omega pure bristle. Sterilized pure bristle. What does that even mean? A lot of Italian stuff. And then this crema pre barba. So I'm thinking this is a pre-shave. It smells nice. The Parasso. So that's really cool. And then this brush stand that can also, like, it's got this little thing here that you can stick to the wall. So that's cool. I could use that. I did get some other stuff that I'm very excited about too. Did get another brush just because I thought it was really cute. And green's my favorite color, so I had to get green. Had to. It's beautiful. Beautiful green. And then there's this that I am very excited for. This is from 1962, so I wasn't even a thought at that time, but it is rhodium coated, and it's a Gillette Slim. So I'm excited to try that because everybody's giving me guff about having a fat boy and no Slim. So it's an adjustable, very clicky, and very shiny. Very shiny. I'm excited to try the Tabac. And that's like a shave stick too. That's cool. So yeah, got ourselves a good time on our hands. At least I do. Yeah, $50 mystery box. You gotta get one just to try it. It's tight. I'm super pumped about all this stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.